Hi gang, it's your girl Jack, Zoladonsfreshmarket. Let's come on the patio, shoot a final video for the season. Today is Saturday, October 18th. I can see we got cherry tomatoes. Got a nice load of cherry tomatoes we're gonna be able to harvest for our final harvest. So that's our final hardy cherry tomato harvest. Over here we got a couple of the lemon cherry tomatoes that we'll still be able to grab. So y'all can see that. That's with some spinach I planted, but it's trying to come along. I'm gonna come out here and water it a little bit and let it just keep going. See over here, got some peppers growing on the hot pepper plant. Got 2 peppers. Let them keep going. Chives. The squirrels been over here digging up these hot pepper plants. Had to take my net down, y'all, because I have an asshole that lives next door. So had to take my net down so that she can continue to be nosy as she like. Hopefully next season we'll be in our own home, in our backyard, and we won't have this dilemma. This is what our Swiss chard is looking like. That's our Thai basil. Then with the seed all at the top, but I'm gonna harvest all this and then I'm gonna let it dry out and probably put it in some jars or something for later cooking. And here's the other Swiss chard plant. They're both looking really healthy. It's still looking really good, but I'm gonna come out here and harvest that as well. Then y'all can see that's our sweet basil. Looks amazing. And it's our pineapple sage. I cut it down really well, y'all, but y'all can see it's huge plant and looks good. Then went to flower. Has these little red flowers at the end of the pineapple sage plant. And then over here, it's our cucumber stalk. Got a little cucumber trying to sprout on there, but it's not going to make it. I'm going to come out here and clean up that stalk. Then y'all can see I got a humongous tomato plant that's growing. It's still warm outside. Today is 70-something degrees and it's October 18th. So I'm going to leave that, let it keep going. But we are going to harvest most of what we got going on the patio before it gets cold outside. The mint plant is still looking pretty decent. We're going to harvest that and let it dry it out as well, y'all. So that's what we got sprouting on the patio garden that we're going to harvest. It's the final video I'm going to do for the season of what we got going on out here. Maybe I'll do another one to show y'all what's still happening with these pepper plants right here, and like our chives and this pepper plant, and then also this tomato plant. I'll continue to video and show y'all if that makes it to some fruit here in Michigan, because it's coming into it's our fall season coming up here. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.